everyone, welcome to another episode of Model Car Memories. As you can see, I've been hard at work on this 61 Buick Invicta. Got everything about ready to assemble. I believe I've finished all my painting. Got the glass in the body. Did the trim work around the glass there. Got the portals in there. It didn't have holes for the side view mirrors, so I did those. Once I get everything together, I'll glue the side view mirrors in there. I got the dash. That white might not be perfect or exact the way it is. I just pulled up images on the internet. Excuse me, and looked there, but got the interior done. I kept with the two-tone. Somebody was asking about that. So, and then the firewall, did some wash on the grill there. Only thing I didn't try to do is paint the Buick emblem, the little red, white, and blue on there. So, and got the battery done here. So, a lot of that stuff I'll put together as I'm building it there. So I'm gonna try to get this assembled, and I'll come back to you after I got everything together. All right, I've got the car finally assembled. There's a couple places on it where I'm still waiting for the glue to set, like on the mirrors there. So let me show you the engine here. So got everything installed in the engine bay compartment here. And last thing I put on was the tail lights. So after because the way they go, there's just two prongs that go all the way back in. So they go through the bumper and they go through the body itself. So you had to get the bumper on and everything screwed into place to be able to put the tail lights on. I did notice when I'm assembling it, the windshield was just a little warped. So I've got a gap right down in here where it doesn't go up all the way into it there. But there it is. It's going to give you a nice side shot there. It has the appearance of being a little higher in the front. I think it's just because the wheel well's more open in the front than it is in the back. I think it is that it's all together. So, but I'll post some up close pictures on the Instagram page, so make sure you check that out. And thanks for watching. I've got another one it's mostly put together except it's missing wheels, and he looked like he did it sort of as a race car. It's a Ford. I'll have to research what year and what kind of which type of Ford it is, because it's just out of the box. It's not in it's in a random box right now. It's not in this regular box, but that'll be next, and that'll be a short video. I'll do that next week or something like that. But it's just bringing out all the wheels I have and try to find four that match and four that'll fit that particular car. So it'll be another interesting one. So thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and like I said, check out the Instagram page as well. Thanks.